Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Brown color, olive color, pink color, red color and sea green color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First, 1, number 1. Next kids, 2, number 2. Next, 3, number 3. Next kids, 4, number 4. Next, 5, number 5. Next, 6, number 6. Number 6. Next, 7, number 7. Next, 8, number 8. Next kids, 9, number 9. Next, 10, 1, 0, 10, number 10. Next, 11, 1, 1, 11, number 11. Next, 12, 1, 2, 12, number 12. Next, 13, 1, 3, 13, number 13. Next, 14, 1, 4, 14, number 14. Next, 15, 1, 5, 15, number 15. Next, 16, 1, 6, 16, number 16. Next kids, 17, 1, 7, 17, number 17. Next, 18, 1, 8, 18, number 18. Next kids, 19, 1, 9, 19, number 19. Next, 20, 2, 0, 20, number 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.